Feeling the earth move under your feet? Let's talk earthquakes. Earthquakes happen because the Earth's outer layer, called the crust, isn't a solid piece. It's broken into huge sections called tectonic plates. These plates are always moving, but very slowly. Sometimes they bump into each other, slide past, or get stuck. Tension builds up over time, and when it finally releases, boom! That's an earthquake. Most quakes are small and harmless, but some can be super powerful. They can cause buildings to shake and even create tsunamis. So now you know, next time the ground rumbles, you'll be the earthquake expert. Stay curious and stay safe.